In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export all contacts from Salesforce quickly and efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create a backup, move your data to another platform, or simply want an offline copy, this simple process will guide you through everything you need to know. Let's begin by logging into your Salesforce account. You'll want to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access and export data. If you're an admin, you're all set. Otherwise, you might need to check with your admin for the appropriate access rights. Once you're logged in, head over to your setup page. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From there, you'll select Advanced Setup to access more detailed options. Now that you're in the setup area, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the Quick Find search bar. This little tool will make it easy for you to navigate through the settings. Type in Data Export to locate the data export service quickly. Here, you'll be presented with options to either export immediately or schedule regular exports. For our purposes, we'll go with the Export Now option, but if you prefer scheduling it for later, that works too. Next up is the selection process. You'll see a list of objects you can export. Make sure to select contacts from this list. If you need more than just the basic contact information, you can also select any related objects at this stage. This could include, for example, account details linked to those contacts depending on your needs. Once you've made your selections, click on Start Export. Your request is now in the queue. Depending on your organization's data volume and current system demands, this could take a bit of time. Rest assured, Salesforce will handle this in the background, and you'll receive a notification as soon as the export is complete. After receiving the completion notification, you'll be prompted to download a zip file containing your data. Click the download link and save the zip file to a location on your computer where it's easily accessible. Once the download is complete, you'll want to extract the contents of this zip file. Inside, you'll find CSV files which will contain all of your exported contacts. These files can be accessed using a standard spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to export all your contacts from Salesforce. With your data now securely backed up or ready for transfer, you can proceed with your next steps confidently. Thanks for following along, and be sure to join us for more tutorials.